Hey, how is everyone today? Lou here from RV Habit. This cabinet door has bothered me from the first day I bought this rig. When you open it up, it only opens 95 degrees. It only has a 95-degree hinge on it. And because it's so tight in here, I cannot get in the back. So today I'm finally going to install a Blum hinge that has 170 degrees. And based on its design, when you crack it open, ordinarily you'd be able to open it that far. This hinge, based on this, lets you actually open it 170 degrees. So this door will be able to open all the way up. And I'll bring you closer. I'll show you how the hinge works once I get this door off. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my driver gun. I'm going to just take these hinges off and then we'll come over here. So I have the door off. These are the hinges. They're held on by 2 screws and it's a standard cup hinge. I'm just going to back them out and I'll show you the difference between the 2 hinges. Okay, so as you can see, this hinge only opens 95 degrees, so that's closed, and when it opens it's pretty much straight. Now the other hinge, the Blum hinge, when it opens, instead of opening straight, it continues and allows that door to open 170 degrees. So this is a real simple replacement. Just remove those, and I'm going to put these in, and they'll fit right in there, and we'll use the same 2 screws. Okay, so I have both hinges on the door. What's nice about these hinges is the old hinge, when it was on the door, you had to kind of hold the door and get a screw in here. This is all attached. It does not come apart. The new hinge has these brackets, and this bracket separates from the hinge. So this goes on the base cabinet, which allows you to screw this easily into the base cabinet, and then you just line the door up and it'll snap right into the hinge. And if you want to take the door off, you don't need to unscrew anything. You just press this lever and the door will pop out. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take these 2 brackets, one for the top, one for the bottom. I'll line up the center with the old center hole from the old hinge, screw them in, and pop the door on. And if everything works out, I won't even need to readjust the catch on the other side. So I have the hinge brackets attached to the base cabinet. And again, it's just 2 screws in the upper and 2 screws in the lower. What's nice about that though is you're not trying to hold the door while you're screwing this in. You just screw these brackets in. And now we should be able to just snap this door right into place. And that's it. And it latches. I don't even need to adjust the latch. I have it lined up perfectly. So now instead of opening this door 95 degrees and struggling, I can open this 170 degrees. Fantastic, fantastic upgrade. I've hated this door literally since the day I bought this coach. I've been saying I'm going to do this for 3 years. I'm finally getting around to it. The hinges were like 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link below in the description. I'll also do a short article on my website with some other options on rvhabit.com. This is fantastic. I love it. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon.